Today, on Guess What I Found Out, we're going to discover some facts about the most extreme places on Earth, where geography basically said rules are optional. Curious George, if you think you understand how big, small, tall or crowded this planet is, don't worry. Earth is about to humble you aggressively. Stick around, because by the end of this video, your sense of scale will be completely broken, and that's a feature. Let's start strong. Asia covers about 30% of Earth's land and holds roughly 60% of the global population. That's nearly 5 billion people sharing deserts, tundra, rainforests and 11 time zones. It includes China and India, which alone could populate multiple planets. Asia doesn't just participate in global demographics, it dominates them. Quick pause, Curious George. If this already feels unfair, like and follow now. Earth hasn't even finished stretching. Java is the most populated island on Earth, home to over 150 million people, more than Russia despite being about 1% the size. Then there's Greenland, the world's largest island, massive, icy, dramatic, and home to about 56,000 people. Roughly 80% of it is ice. And if that melts, sea levels rise about 7 meters globally. Same planet. Wildly different vibes. So, get this. Canada, casually, has around 880,000 lakes, holding about 20% of the world's surface fresh water, thanks to glaciers that really committed to their craft. Meanwhile, the Caspian Sea is the largest lake on Earth, even bigger than Germany, salty, landlocked, and touching 5 countries while quietly powering energy markets. And the Philippine Sea? It's the largest sea on Earth, bigger than 2 Argentinas, and home to the Mariana Trench, which is honestly deep enough to make submarines nervous. If geography ever feels boring, Curious George, you're just not paying attention. Suriname is the most forested country on Earth, with over 97% forest cover acting as a net carbon sink, while housing fewer people than most cities. Bhutan takes a different route, being nearly 99% mountainous and measuring success with gross national happiness instead of GDP, because, well, vibes matter. Then there's the Maldives, averaging just 1.5 meters above sea level, basically a nation living on borrowed time from the ocean. Tap, like and follow, Curious George, because this planet is built like a suspense movie. Indonesia wins the award for most volcanically active country, with over 55 active volcanoes, fertile soil, and occasional reminders that tectonic plates hold grudges. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake on Earth, holding about 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh water and species found nowhere else. Angel Falls drops nearly a full kilometre straight down, making Niagara Falls look like a casual spill. And Aconcagua is the tallest mountain outside Asia, nearly 7,000 metres high, proving altitude sickness does not care about your confidence. The United States and Canada share the longest international border on Earth, nearly 9,000 kilometres, mostly unguarded, quietly proving cooperation can exist. Then Antarctica casually reminds everyone it is the highest continent by average elevation, holds 90% of Earth's ice, 70% of its fresh water, and still qualifies as a desert. Cold, dry, tall, and completely uninterested in human comfort. So, Curious George, Earth isn't just big, it's extreme, uneven, and unapologetically dramatic. If you know any other mind-bending geography facts, drop them in the comments. I sometimes read them, and then immediately question reality. Visit our page and explore our growing collection of fun fact videos that make you smarter without boring you. And if this video stretched your brain, the next one bends it even further. Subscribe quietly. Curiosity loves a sequel.